Greetings, my name is Keisha and I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida in Zone 11. And today I'm going to show you how I plant a pineapple.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman close so.
So I'm going to put my pineapple in this bed right here, right down here in this spot. And the reason is this particular bed is pretty settled. Like the amount of soil in here is at a really good level where it's not going to be sinking much more. And I think it can pretty much go undisturbed here for a good bit. And if I do have to move it, it'll be okay. But I think I have more time for it to be right here in this spot. And nothing else will really grow in this area because we don't have gutters. And for the rain, when it rains, it kind of hits the back of the bed. So not a lot will grow over here. So I think right there would be a great spot for it. So I've made a pretty shallow hole because I don't want it to be too deep. I do not root mine before. I just put mine right into the ground. Let me go ahead and cover it up. In order to grow a pineapple, the most common way that you're going to be able to do it is to take a regular pineapple like this. You're going to cut off the top and then place it into the ground. Okay, so I cut off my top here, my crown. Now I'm going to put it into some soil. I'm going to find another location, the same as the other, where I don't feel like it will be disturbed too much. And it will get good sunlight. I'm going to go over here on this side to the front of my garden bed. I think I'm going to put it, I want to put it on the edge of the bed. That way it can spike, outwards. I know right here I have this little bok choy, but I'm going to move it. Move it over. Hope I got some seeds with me. Okay, I'm going to put my pineapple right here. I'm gonna put it right into the ground. Again, I did not root it, no hormones, no water, just straight into the ground, just like that. Now, over time, what will happen is it will spike out and then it will grow over the bed. It will take over this spot. So even though I have these other plants in here, there should be more than enough nutrients because this bed is open on the bottom. I don't have any cloth, I don't think, underneath. I may, but pineapple roots will be okay. Let me show you what's going to happen. After 2 years, I will hopefully have a pineapple like this. So as you can see, it's got to be pretty large back there. And pineapples actually grow from the center straight up. Okay, so and it's starting to kind of form. I can zoom in a little here. Let's see. Okay, you can see it grows from like the bottom up. So the crown of it is just starting to turn green in there. But that's a pineapple. Now again, I'm in Zone 11. I don't know if what I do will work for you, but it works for me. I'm going to say, in my opinion, don't overcomplicate it. Maybe try rooting it in water. But first, try to just put it right into some soil. Give it some water and give it some sun. Good luck. Happy gardening.
There's so much ways we don't know.